Hey everyone, you won't believe this. A 150e text written by monks holds the secret to escaping modern chaos. It's one ancient rule that can genuinely fix your everyday. Your life feels overwhelming, constantly distracted, chasing, and feeling behind. That anxious, disconnected feeling. This ancient wisdom has the answer you need right now. For centuries, people sought clarity and purpose. Ancient humans faced hardship, yet lived with meaning. They understood something we've completely forgotten in our fast-paced modern world. Around 1,500 years ago, a man wrote rules for living, not laws, but guidelines for everyday existence. His goal, a life of peace and deep connection. These weren't about escaping the world, but engaging with it fully. A framework protecting your mind from distraction and spirit from emptiness, radical in simplicity even today. The core insight, structure brings freedom. You think less structure means more freedom. Ancient philosophers discovered the opposite. Your mind is freed for what truly matters. Think your phone, endless tabs, buzzing notifications. Your brain makes thousands of micro-decisions every hour. That's why you feel drained. This ancient rule cuts through all the noise. It emphasizes a rhythm of life, work, rest, quiet, reflection, and community. Not rigid tasks, but flowing parts of your day, a deliberate dance with time, bringing calm in the biggest revelation. It's about intentionality. Every action, interaction, and moment becomes a conscious choice. No more drifting on autopilot. Your power returns here. This isn't just time management, it's energy management. Choosing your activities and focus protects your most precious resource, your attention. This shifts everything for your mind. Sound familiar? Open your laptop for one task. An hour later you're watching cat videos. Your attention is fragmented, pulled in a million directions without you realizing. You feel a constant low hum of anxiety. Always on, always available, stressed about what you're missing. That's the modern trap. Constant input, zero filters. It's exhausting you, or maybe that sense of disconnection. Surrounded by people but still alone. This ancient rule understood the vital human need for genuine, shared purpose, not just casual interaction. You know you want more focus, peace, meaningful connections. You've tried modern solutions, but they often miss this one fundamental truth about human nature. Here's the deeper twist. The rule isn't about more rules, it's about fewer decisions. By establishing a framework, you eliminate endless choices. It frees your mind. You stop asking, "What should I do now?" 100 times a day. Your life flows. Not about being controlled, but taking control of your impulses and environment. This isn't rigid dogma. It's a pragmatic guide for human flourishing, creating calm and focus in a world designed to steal both. It's a shield for your mind, and the freedom you gain. It allows true spontaneity. When core needs are met and your day has rhythm, unexpected joys hit harder. You're present to experience them, so how do you apply this today? Start small. Pick one area for a no-negotiable routine. Maybe the first 30 minutes of your morning, tech-free before bed. Next, identify your core values. What truly matters? Align your routines with these. If connection is key, schedule intentional time with loved ones. If growth, schedule learning, and most importantly, embrace intentional rest, not just scrolling, but genuine restoration. A walk in nature, quiet reading, mindful breathing. Your brain needs this space to reset. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. Each small step from distraction, each intentional choice, builds a stronger mental foundation. Reclaiming your mind, one ancient principle. When you live by this ancient wisdom, you'll find surprising clarity. The noise fades, anxiety loosens its grip. You feel connected, purposeful, and genuinely present in your life again. This isn't just surviving modern life, it's about thriving, choosing peace over chaos, focus over fragmentation, and meaning over endless distraction. Your ancestors had it right. If this hit different, smash that like button, it genuinely helps. Share this with someone who needs to hear it today. Drop a comment below what ancient wisdom resonates most with you. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit subscribe. We've got something even more mind-blowing coming next week.